Investing in the S&P 500 from the UK can be a straightforward process, allowing you to gain exposure to a broad range of leading US companies. To begin, familiarize yourself with the S&P 500 and its significance as a benchmark for the US stock market. One of the simplest ways to invest in the S&P 500 is through exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or index funds that track the index. Many investment platforms and brokers in the UK offer access to these funds, making it easy to buy shares. Research different ETFs to compare their fees, performance, and management styles, as these factors can affect your returns. Next, open a brokerage account that allows for international investments. Look for platforms that offer low fees and a user-friendly interface. After setting up your account, you can transfer funds to begin investing. When purchasing shares of an S&P 500 fund, consider your investment strategy. It's wise to take a long-term approach, investing consistently over time to benefit from market growth. You might also want to consider setting up regular contributions to your investment account. Additionally, keep an eye on market conditions and be prepared for fluctuations. Understanding the potential risks and rewards of investing in the S&P 500 will help you navigate the journey successfully. By investing in this index, you can participate in the growth of some of the world's largest companies while diversifying your investment portfolio.